Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kinsthetic with the Kinsthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video, I've been meaning to do this for a while, but it is going to be my current Amazon favorites. These are going to be items that I purchased from Amazon within the past few months that I am absolutely in love with, and I feel like I love it. It works for me. It makes my life more efficient. It makes my life way more easier, and I'm recommending them for you guys as well. So I definitely wanted to get these things, try them out, get a real feel of them. There's some things that I purchased from Amazon and I'm like, wouldn't really suggest that. So I like to take my time, try things out, figure out exactly what I like before recommending them. So trust me, all of these items are lifesavers. Okay, so before we get into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below. We on the road to 10K, so I want all of you guys to join because it's about to be lit up on this channel. So make sure y'all subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, suggestions, or anything on your mind after watching today's video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the items, I did want to note that everything included in today's video, it'll be linked down below, and the links down below will be affiliate links. So when you guys shop through those links, I will get a percentage of your purchase. So I just wanted to, you know, put that out there so that y'all not confused and all of that. But let's go ahead and get into these pieces. So the first item from Amazon that I have been loving is my MacBook case. You guys, I had a previous MacBook case, and when I tell y'all that thing was crack-a-lack-a-lacking, it was cracking. Okay, so I was like, it's time to treat myself to a new case. So originally I did want this crocodile case that I did find on Amazon, but when I tell you guys that it has been sold out for the longest for the MacBook that I have, I'm just like, I need to find an alternative quick, fast, and in a hurry, because this case is not doing what the girls wanted to be doing. So I went ahead and picked up this case from Amazon. So I love this case because it doesn't show like the Apple, and I don't know, I just feel like it's a clean, slick look. And also this is the back. It does have like the vent so that your MacBook is able to breathe. And this case also came with a keyboard cover. So this is a keyboard cover it comes with, but I also like this case because it comes with two keyboard covers. So I believe this case is for the old MacBook as well as the new one, which is the one with the touch bar, which is the one that I have. So it does come with two keyboard covers because the keyboards are different on both versions. So, you know, you get in a 2-for-1. I kept mine and then I gave the old one to my sister. So I was able to get use of each and every item that came in that case. Okay, but this case also comes in a lot of different colors, and I just love the neutral color. It doesn't do too much. It's nice and sleek, and I love it. It's also lightweight. Like, it doesn't add much weight to my MacBook either, which is a problem I have with a lot of cases for the MacBook. So yeah, this is the first item that I have been loving from Amazon. The next item that I have been loving from Amazon is this, I guess we could call it like an Apple pen, Apple pencil, whatever we want to call it, but it is like a knockoff version of the Apple Pencil. And the reason I got this is because I wanted like a stylus that I can use on my iPad as well as my iPhone. With the Apple Pencil, you can't use it on your iPhone. You can only use it on your iPad, and I didn't know that at first. I was just like, this is what, $25-$30, and the Apple Pencil is like 100 and change. So I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and get this because it looks the same, it does the same, and that's all I care about. I'm not worried about who's telling me that my thing is fake or not, because it does what it needs to do. I'm still being productive. I'm still getting to my bag, so I don't want to hear nothing. So I got this. I can use this on my iPad as well as my iPhones, which I absolutely love. It has like a pointy tip, so it makes it super easy to do things like draw or write, or, you know, get in those corners when I'm editing my photos. So I absolutely love this. I feel like it's a great alternative for the Apple Pencil, and it does charge. So it has like a little port here where you can go ahead and charge it, and it does come with the cable to charge it. It has a button so you can power it on and off so that you're not wasting your battery power. And I feel like the battery is very long lasting because I haven't had to charge it since I got it, and I purchased this in like September, October. So just to give you guys a sense, and we now in March, so well, April by the time y'all see this video, but y'all get what I'm saying. I feel like it has a long lifetime. It does what it needs to do, even more than what we expect it to do. So I would highly recommend this if you have an iPad, even if you just have an iPhone and you want something to like be more precise with editing pictures or drawing images or taking notes, then I would highly recommend this Apple pencil, Apple pen, whatever we want to call it. The next item that I have been loving from Amazon is this light. This is the Young Now. I'm not even gonna try to say it. This is the name of the light. This is the name of the light, so y'all can see. I'll put it on the screen too. But this light I got from Carly Bible's YouTube setup video, and when she said that she only uses this light, I don't know if y'all watch Carly Bible, but her quality is A1. So when she says she only uses this light, I'm like, oh no, I need it. I need to see what it's about, and I really love it. So it's not plugged in right now, but just to give you guys some reference, this is how the light looks. It is very bright, and you can adjust it with this knob on the back. So I use this light whenever I do like videos in my bathroom, so my wash day videos, my styling videos when I'm in my bathtub. This is the only light that I use, and it does a great job adding just enough light to the area in the shower for me. So I love it. Also, this light can be powered through a battery or a cable cord, and I use the cable cord because I'm never really using the light like on the go. If you're like event photographer, or you are doing something outdoors where you have no electricity, then it makes sense to power this light through the battery. But also remember that the battery does add extra weight to the light, so especially since I mount this on top of my camera. So as you guys can see, it has like this piece like a horseshoe, so you can mount it on top of your camera. So since I mount this on top of my camera, I'm like, the battery wouldn't really be a good option for me because it would just add extra weight on top of my camera. The only thing I want to say about this light though is I still haven't found a way to really like make this horseshoe tight. It's very like rocky right now, so when I put it on top of my camera, I have to make sure that this bottom panel is laying on top of my camera in a way where the light stays open. So I did want to note that if you have this light and you know how to tighten that up, then comment and let me know, DM me and let me know. But that's the only complaint that I have, but it's nothing that doesn't allow the light to function, so it's good for me. But I got this cable cord separately on Amazon. I also have this link down below, and I also use this cable cord on my YN216 light from the same brand, Young Now. I'm not gonna try to say it. That brand, YN216, I use the same cable cord. So yeah, if you have the cable cord from that, you can also use it on this. But the main difference that I find between this light and the YN216, which I did a separate video about, if you didn't see it, I'll link it up above. But the main difference that I find is that this one gives me more coverage, like the light spreads wider. The YN216 is more like focus. So depending on what type of video I'm doing, what the focus of the video is, what the subject of the video is, I'll choose either to use this light on my YN216. But lately I've been gravitating more towards her. If you're trying to choose between this and the YN216, I would highly recommend this light instead, because you get more coverage, you have more options of like this light. Also, I feel like it gets way brighter than YN216, so that's another thing to keep in mind as well. And this light was only, I want to say like $50 or $70, like nothing too expensive for the quality that you get. So I definitely feel like this is a great quality light for the price that it is. I don't know if the price went up now, because a lot of people have been raving about this light now, and if Young knew that brand is smart, then they would have price a little bit. I ain't telling y'all what to do, but I'm just saying that if they playing smart, then that's what they would do. But yeah, this light is amazing. It's also very compact, so once you fold it, like this is how small it is, so I can go ahead and slide her right under my bed for storage, or I can just like place her somewhere. It's very like small too, so if you want to travel with it, which I do plan on doing soon, she coming with me, she going right in my bag. So the next item from Amazon that I have been loving are my Crest 3D whitening strips. So I don't know if you guys can really see, but the small has been doing its thing, okay? So I swear by these whitening strips. If y'all watch my vlogs, then y'all know how I feel about these strips, because I mention them quite often. But I really love them because they do a great job whitening my teeth quick, fast, and in a hurry, and it's very consistent. Like once I keep up with it, my teeth stay white for a long period of time. Once I fall off, then I can't be expecting my smile to be looking white and crispy white when I ain't doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So this pack comes with 22 strips, like 22 pairs. 20 of them I believe is the 30-minute, and then 2 of them are the 1-hour express. So the express is like if you're going on a date tomorrow and you want your teeth to look white, quick, fast, and in a hurry, then you use the hour ones. But I usually use the 30-minute ones and then save the hour ones for like when I'm going on a trip or something. But I do these to my teeth every other night because I find that when I was doing it every night, my teeth were getting kind of sensitive. So just keep that in mind as well. And even though it is, I think like $48 regular on Amazon, let me tell y'all what to do. Let me put y'all onto the game because y'all know I'm always here to tell y'all how y'all can save a little coin. Okay, what you gotta do, they have like $10 coupons on this item once in a blue. So what I do is I check like 3 times a day to see if that $10 coupon comes, and I'll look before I actually need it so that I don't have to, like, you know, fall off waiting for that $10 coupon. Because girl, if I could get this for $30, $32, $34, whatever it is, then I'm here for that. The next item that I've been loving from Amazon is my tripod for my vlogging camera. So in case you guys don't know, the camera that I do my vlogs with is a Canon M50. That camera is bae. My quality is, I love it. So if you guys want to know more about like the cameras that I use, then I have a video. I'll go ahead and link it down below and up above. But I got a new tripod for my vlogging camera, y'all. I had the Manfrotto tripod or monopod for the longest, and it did what it had to do. But once I discovered this, I'm like, oh, this is what the girls need. If you are a vlogger, if you're looking for a new tripod, a new mini tripod, this is bae. So the reason I like it is because it's very lightweight, especially compared to the Manfrotto. It's also like more compact. The Manfrotto, I feel like, is more thick. So even when I want to throw it in my bag, this is a better option for me versus the Manfrotto. And let me show y'all my favorite part about this. Let me show y'all my favorite part. Girl, it extends. It extends, and y'all may be like, what? That's not a big deal. But for me, it is, because when I'm vlogging, majority of the time, if I want to put my camera on a tabletop, I can put it and it's not like at a downwards angle, which accentuates my double chin. But yeah, it extends, so it just makes it easier. It gives you more options, and when you don't want to extend it, you just put it down and that's it. So I really enjoy it. It does have like 3 legs for it to stand tabletop as well, or you can go ahead and hold it like this. But it's kind of like a selfie stick to me, because I could go ahead and also adjust like the ball on the camera, and then I could put it like this, or I could put it straight up and put it like this. But it gives the girls options, and I love anything that makes my life easier and gives me more options. So if you are looking for a new tripod, a new monopod for your vlogging camera, I would highly recommend this tripod. This is the Ulanzi tripod, but I found this from Nicole Guerrero's vlogging setup video, so I'll link that down below in case you guys want to see more about it. But y'all, this is bae. It's been making my life way easier. So the next item that I picked up from Amazon, I actually got this right before I went to Cabo, is a portable charger. So I got this, what is it, Anker portable charger. I had the smaller one, but the smaller one doesn't like hold as much charge as this one does. So I'll put the specs of this one on the screen so you guys can see, because I don't know off the top of my head. But it is shaped like, it's kind of shaped like a bird. She's kind of big, but the fact that I can go ahead and charge like different inputs in here is amazing. So if I need to like charge my headphones on the go, I can do that. If I need to charge my iPhone on the go, I can do that. But it has the USB, it has the, I don't know the names of these other 2 things, but it got the one for the new iPhone, and it got, I think, the Android one. Yeah, like the Android one. I don't know the names of these specific ports, so comment down below and let me know. But I just know the Android, the new iPhone, and the old iPhone. That's what I know. So it has all 3 of those ports, and it says it is Power Core Slim 10,000. And then it has a whole bunch of things that I don't understand. But yeah, I'll put the specs of it on the screen so you guys can understand why I got it. And it does take a while to charge, so I do want to note that. But it does a great job. Like if you're out for the day going on excursions, or you're out for the day running errands, and you just need a portable charger to charge your phone, this is bae. And it comes with this little case, so you can go ahead and make sure she's nice and safe and clean. So yeah. So the next thing that I purchased from Amazon that has been making my life easier, I actually found this from my friend Stushy's Amazon store. It is this SD card case. So this case holds 12 SD cards, and you guys may be like, I only see 6, but bada boom, you turn it around and you can store 6 more. But I just love how compact this case is because I put it right in front of me on my iMac so that I can see all of my memory cards. And I also love that it's like see-through, so I can actually see what's in it before I open everything up looking for something. So I absolutely love this case, and it does a great job. Like when I'm traveling with multiple memory cards, I don't want to just throw them anywhere, because when I tell y'all that I got some things on my memory, I don't want it to sound like that, but I'm just saying that if I lose my memory card, I will be distraught, I will be devastated. So I have to make sure that they are stored accordingly. I have a larger SD card case, but I'm not carrying that around, and it got everything in there. It got my SD card from my first international trip, so I'm like, I'm not even trying to leave the house with this. So with this, I just walk around with my 3 or 4 main cards, like my 3 128 gigabytes, and then my mini SD, which I use like in my drone and in my USB, my DJI Osmo Pocket. So real cute, real straight to the point, but you can go ahead and store up to 12 memory cards in here. So the next item that I got from Amazon that I've been loving is my iPad stand. So I'm actually using it right now as I'm doing this video, so I can't show it to you guys, but I'll go ahead and put a picture here. But this iPad stand is a bay. It extends so it can go up and down, and it also has like a ball head, so your iPad could be leaned back or leaned forward. But I absolutely love it. It does a great job with helping me with tech neck as well. So instead of me like looking down all the time with my iPad, I can just look across, because I can go ahead and extend it so that it's like the same height as my eye view, if that makes sense. But I absolutely love it. It has given me no problem so far. It's super durable. It's small. It doesn't take up like too much space on my desk, which we love. And I think it was about like 30 bucks, but if you have an iPad, I would definitely recommend it. Also has the option to adjust it to be portrait or landscape. I usually keep my iPad in landscape, but if I want to put it in portrait, I have that option as well. It's also super lightweight, so if you're looking for something to like travel with, whether you're, you know, a student in school and you want to bring your iPad to take notes, or you want to bring your iPad to the library to study, you can carry it around. It's super lightweight, and you can also like break it down and put it back together very easily if you are looking to travel with it as well. But that iPad stand is bae. I've been looking for a stand for my iPad for the longest, and this is the one that I feel like is the most functional for the uses and for the reasons that I wanted the stand for. Next up is another accessory for my MacBook. So it is this USB-C hub. So it is Shia. I actually found this from my girl Chanara's Amazon favorites video. So what it does, it got all of these ports. Let me show y'all all these ports. Because in the new MacBook, they played us. They gave us 2 USB-C ports, and it's like, what am I supposed to do with this? How am I charging my iPhone? How am I plugging in my external hard drive? How am I doing all of these things? And I got this for about 12 bucks from Amazon, and it comes with 2 USB ports. It comes with an SD port. It comes with a TF port. And it comes with an HDMI port. So you got options, and they even have some that have more options than this. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I use it all the time. I also use it in my iPad, which is a lifesaver. So when I'm away, I only travel with my iPad, and if I want to get like pictures off my memory card real quick, I could just plug it in, put my memory card in, and get what I need off of it. So yeah, I would highly recommend this if you have the new MacBook, the one that only has the USB-C ports, because I bought 1 port from the Apple store, and I feel like it was like $30, and all it did was USB. But this one that I got for $12 gives me way more options. So yeah, I would highly recommend this if you have the new MacBook, or even if you have an iPad. So next up are my noise canceling headphones. I got these during Cyber Monday or Prime Day. I got them during Prime Day on Amazon. These are the Sony, what the name of this? What the name of this? These are the Sony WHXB900N noise canceling headphones. I absolutely love these. I got these because sometimes when I'm in the house working, you know, outside it'd be a thing, in the house it'd be a thing. I'm just like, I need to be in my own zone, so I need some noise canceling headphones. Also for traveling, when you're on a plane and you cannot control what noises you are hearing, these my best friends. These my best friends. So I got these. I absolutely love them. Let me put them on so y'all can see. Oh, I look dumb, but that's how they look on. I love them because they do have like a touch sensor on the side. So on the side, you can go ahead and power the volume up and down and skip a song or go back a song just by sliding your finger like up, down, and across. I absolutely love that because every time I have to change my song or whatever, I don't have to look for my phone and pull it out. So yeah, these are super clutch. They also have the option to adjust, like if you're using them to work out. They have like an action feature on it. I haven't used that because I really just been using these like while I'm sitting down. I don't use them when I work out and stuff. But yeah, these are bae. They cost a pretty coin. I think during Prime Day I got them like 50% off, which was an amazing deal. But regular, they're like $250. So it's a great investment, I will say that. But try to get them when it's a sale. So kind of wait until Prime Day, until Cyber Monday, until Black Friday, because I did see deals on them around that time. But yeah, if you're looking for noise canceling headphones, or if you weren't looking for noise canceling headphones and I sold you during my whole description, then these are the ones. So my next Amazon favorite, I feel like I kind of messed up my hair with them headphones, but I still look good. The next thing that I got from Amazon that has been a lifesaver is an extra battery for my vlogging camera. Like, I cannot tell you how many times I'm vlogging and I forget to charge my camera before I know I'm gonna vlog. And it's just like, Kendra, you knew you were gonna vlog today, so why did you not charge your battery? So I got an extra one. So as I mentioned, I do vlog with the Canon M50, and the battery that is compatible with that is the Canon LPE12 battery. But if you look at the battery that comes in your camera, it says what battery it is so that you can just look it up online. But the extra battery, it was kind of expensive. I think it was like $50. But if you're using any camera, you want to make sure that the extra batteries you get are not no Fugazi joints. You want to get the real thing, because over time the Fugazi joints be effing your device up. So you might as well make the investment, get the real deal, make sure that you are safe, and call it a day. Okay, we don't need any problems, especially while we're investing hundreds and probably even thousands of dollars into our tech equipment. The next thing I got from Amazon that I have been loving is this pack of scrunchies. So I've been a real scrunchy girl lately. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because my hair is growing a little bit more. But they are these like velvet scrunchies. And I absolutely love these in protective styles as well. It comes in so many different colors. We got blues in here. We got creams in here. We got purples in here. We got pinks in here. Like, so many different colors. We got flavors. They gave us flavors, girl, flavors. So these come with 40 scrunchies, and I think this was like $8 or $9 on Amazon, which I think is amazing, because I see these stores like Zara, TJ Maxx charging like $10 for a pack of 5, and I'm like, girl, I got 40 for like $8 or $9 off Amazon. So I love how it comes in this little bag too, because it makes it easy to store them and know where they are at all times versus just having them like loose and on the go in my room. So yeah, I highly recommend these if you guys are looking for like velvet scrunchies. They are like in right now. If you want it for style, if you wanted to just put your hair up, if you wanted to match your outfit, then girl, get you some scrunchies. So y'all, the last item I got from Amazon that I've been loving, well, I ain't really get it. This is Kim's, but I'm using it too. But I'm gonna show y'all what it is. It is a Rollo printer. You guys, if y'all watch any of my vlogs and I tell y'all about me returning things to Amazon or ASOS, this makes my life super easy. Also, if you're having like a closet sale, like I sell items on Depop, shameless plug, check out my Depop, link down below. My Depop store where I sell items from my closet. But this is a label printer, and it doesn't require ink. Does not require ink, so you end up saving a whole bunch of money. And also, all you need is like the labels for it. So I get my labels from UPS for free. If you guys want more info on that, I'll link the vlog where I speak more about that down below. But y'all, this is a lifesaver. Like, when I tell y'all that I can easily return things, especially now with, y'all know what's going on, the whole panorama, with us not being able to like try things on in store, I feel like it's been pushing us more to shop online. And then when you order online, you're gonna have to return the extra sizes. But this just makes life so much easier, and I'm so happy that Kim got it and I can use it, because girl, the printing on a regular printer, having to buy ink, replace ink, paper stuck, this stuck, I don't have to do none of that with Kim's Rollo printer. So yes, that is everything that I have purchased from Amazon recently that I have been loving. All of these items have played their part in making my life so much easier, so much more efficient. So I will have all of the items that I mentioned in today's video linked down below, so you guys can shop them. But my Amazon store is always linked in my videos. So if you guys see me use something in the future and I'm like, oh, I got this from Amazon, I'll link it down below. It can be found in my store. And while y'all there, just shop around and see what else y'all may like. There are items that I also had in like previous Amazon favorites videos, which I'll have at the end on the screen, so make sure y'all check them out. But yes, Amazon is bae. and I'll be finding the goodies on there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. Let me know if you guys want more of these videos. Comment and let your girl know. Make sure you guys subscribe for good vibes. We're on the road to 10K, so make sure y'all join the family. Make sure y'all share my videos. If you got a friend, a cousin, a sister, a roommate who loves shopping on Amazon, share this video. Share this video. Share the love. Sharing is caring. But that's all I have for today's video. So until my next one, I'll see you guys later.